I made an extra $1,000 last month while keeping my regular job. The month before that, another $1,000. And the month before that, you guessed it, I'm not special. I don't have a business degree. I didn't get lucky with crypto or stocks. I just figured out 5 side hustles that actually work in America right now. No BS, no get-rich-quick schemes, just real money from real work. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start each one today. I'm Walter, and if you're tired of being broke and ready to make some actual money, hit that subscribe button. Let me take you back to 2 years ago. I was working a regular 9-to-5, making about $45,000 a year. After taxes, rent, car payments, student loans, I had maybe $200 left each month. $200. One car repair, and I was eating ramen for 2 weeks. I tried the usual advice: cut your coffee, cancel Netflix, meal prep every Sunday. And you know what? I saved an extra $80 a month. Cool. At that rate, I'd have my emergency fund in, checks calculator, 5 years. That's when I realized I don't have a spending problem. I have an income problem. So I started testing side hustles, and not the weird ones like sell your plasma or become a mystery shopper. I mean real, scalable ways to make money that don't require special skills or a huge time commitment. After trying about 15 different things, 5 of them stuck, and together they're bringing in $1,000 to $1,500 every single month. Let me show you exactly what they are, how much you can realistically make, and how to start today. Side hustle number 1, dog walking and pet sitting. Before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Americans spend $140 billion on their pets every year, and most of them need someone to walk their dog while they're at work. Here's the math. Average dog walk in the US is $20 to $35 for 30 minutes. Do 2 walks per day, 5 days a week, that's $200 to $350 per week. Per month, $800 to $1,400. And the best part, you're getting paid to exercise. How to start today. Step 1, download Rover or Wag, the 2 biggest apps. Step 2, create a profile. Doesn't need to be fancy. Step 3, set your rate at $20, $25 to start. Competitive, but not too low. Step 4, take a photo with the dog. Any dog, even a friend's dog. Step 5, turn on notifications and wait for requests. First booking usually comes within 2 to 3 days in any decent-sized city. No special skills needed, no upfront costs. Just you, a leash, and someone's dog. The downside? Weather. Rain, snow, extreme heat, you're still walking dogs. And some dogs are difficult. But for $25 per 30 minutes, I'll deal with a little rain. Side hustle number 2, food delivery, but smarter. I know, you've heard this one before, but most people do it wrong. The average DoorDash or Uber Eats driver makes about $15 to $20 per hour. Not amazing, but not terrible. The trick is being strategic about when and where you deliver. Here's what I learned. Peak hours in America. Friday dinner, 5 to 9 p.m. Highest tips. Saturday dinner, 5 to 9 p.m. Sunday brunch, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Work only these hours and your hourly rate jumps to $25 to $30 because orders are constant. No dead time. Tips are bigger. People ordering fancy meals. Restaurants are busy. Multiple pickups per trip. My strategy. Friday night, 4 hours equals $100 to $120. Saturday night, 4 hours equals $100 to $120. Sunday brunch, 3 hours equals $75 to $90. Total, 11 hours per week equals $900 to $1,200 per month. How to start today. Step 1. Sign up for DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. Run all 3 at once. Step 2. Background check takes 3 to 5 days. Step 3. While waiting, download the apps and study your city's hot zones. Step 4. Get an insulated bag. Amazon, $15. Step 5. First weekend, just work Friday and Saturday dinner. Pro tip: only accept orders that are $7 minimum and less than 3 miles. Decline everything else. Your acceptance rate doesn't matter. Your hourly rate does. Downsides: gas, car wear and tear, and dealing with restaurants that are slow. Also, your car will smell like food. But you control when you work, and the money hits your account weekly. Side hustle number 3, freelance writing. Even if you think you can't write, this one surprised me the most. You don't need to be Shakespeare. You don't need an English degree. You just need to be able to write clearly. And there are thousands of small businesses in America desperate for content. Here's what nobody tells you. Businesses don't need award-winning pros. They need blog posts for SEO, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, basic stuff. Average rates in the US: blog post, 500 words, $50 to $150. Product descriptions, 10 items, $50 to $100. Email newsletter, $75 to $200. Write just 2 blog posts per week at $75 each equals $600 per month. Or do 4 product description projects per month at $75 each equals $300 per month. You can easily hit $500 to $800 per month working just 10 to 15 hours. How to start today. Step 1. Go to Upwork or Fiverr. Step 2. Create a profile. Use ChatGPT to help write it. Step 3. Look for blog writing, content writing, SEO writing. Step 4. For your first 3 jobs, charge cheap, $25 to $40 per post, to get reviews. Step 5. After 3 5-star reviews, raise your rate to $75 to $100. First gig usually comes within a week if you bid on 10 to 15 jobs per day. Sample first message. Hi, I can write a 500-word blog post about topic that's clear, engaging, and SEO friendly. I'll deliver within 3 days. Would you like me to send you a draft introduction first so you can see my style? The secret? Under-promise, over-deliver, and ask for reviews. Downsides: you'll write about boring topics at first. HVAC repair, insurance, accounting software. And some clients are demanding. But it's remote, flexible, and scales. Once you have 20 to 30 reviews, clients come to you. Side hustle number 4, reselling, the thrift store arbitrage. This one's fun because it's like a treasure hunt that pays you. The concept: buy things cheap, sell them for more. But here's the key: you need to know what to buy. In America, the best items to flip: brand name clothing like Nike, Adidas, Patagonia, North Face, vintage video games and consoles, books, textbooks especially, electronics like iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, furniture. Mid-century modern is hot right now. Real example from last month. Found a North Face jacket at Goodwill, $12. Sold on eBay for $75. Profit after fees and shipping, $55. Did this 4 times in one day at different thrift stores. One day equals $220 profit. Do this twice a month equals $400 to $600 a month. How to start today. Step 1. Download the eBay app. Step 2. Go to a thrift store, Goodwill, Salvation Army. Step 3. Scan items with your phone. eBay shows you what they're selling for. Step 4. Buy anything with a 3 to 5x markup potential. Step 5. List it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace that same day. Pro tip: focus on one category at first. I started with just Nike shoes. Once you know what sells, you get faster. Saturday morning thrift store runs became my favorite thing. It's like getting paid to shop. Downsides: you need a little money up front, $50 to $100 to start. Items take time to sell, 1 to 4 weeks usually, and you need space to store inventory. But the profit margins are insane, and it's actually fun. Side hustle number 5, task services, handiwork. This is the fastest way to make money on this list. TaskRabbit, Handy, and Thumbtack connect you with people who need help with random stuff. Furniture assembly, IKEA nightmares. TV mounting, moving help, yard work, cleaning, organizing. Average rate is $30 to $60 per hour, depending on the task. You don't need to be a contractor. You just need to be decent with basic tools and willing to follow YouTube tutorials. Real talk, I learned how to mount a TV by watching a 10-minute YouTube video. Now I charge $75 per TV mount and it takes me 30 minutes. Moving help is even easier. You're literally just carrying boxes. $40 to $50 per hour. Work 2 Saturdays per month, 4 hours each, equals $300 to $400 per month. Add a few weeknight gigs, equals $500 to $700 per month. How to start today. Step 1, sign up for TaskRabbit, biggest platform in US. Step 2, list services you're comfortable with. Start with furniture assembly and moving. Step 3, set your rate at $35 an hour to start. Step 4, get your first 5 5-star reviews, even if you have to work cheap. Step 5, raise your rate to $50 to $60 an hour. You can get approved in 2 to 3 days and have your first task within a week. Buy basic tools from Harbor Freight for $50 to $75. Drill, level, screwdriver set, Allen wrench set. That's it. Downsides, it's physical work. You'll be sweating. And some clients have unrealistic expectations. But it's same-day pay, high hourly rate, and always in demand. Okay, real talk time. Will these make you rich? No. Will these replace your full-time job? Probably not. Are they easy? Some days yes, some days no. But here's what they will do. Add $500 to $1,500 to your monthly income. Build your emergency fund in months, not years. Give you options your regular job doesn't. Teach you skills, client management, pricing, marketing, and most importantly, they prove to yourself that you can make money outside of your 9 to 5. That mental shift is worth more than the money itself. 2 years ago, I had $200 left each month after bills. Today, I've got $5,000 saved. I'm investing $500 a month, and I'm not panicking about car repairs. These 5 side hustles did that. Not all at once, not overnight, but consistently. So here's what you do this week. Monday, sign up for Rover and TaskRabbit. Tuesday, sign up for DoorDash and Uber Eats. Wednesday, create an Upwork profile. Thursday, hit a thrift store. Friday, check your apps for first gigs. You don't need to do all 5. Pick 2 and go hard on them for 30 days. Dog walking plus food delivery equals $800 to $1,000 a month. Writing plus reselling equals $700 to $1,200 a month. TaskRabbit plus anything equals $600 to $1,000 a month. The math works. I've done it. Thousands of others have done it. The only question is, will you? If this video helped you, subscribe for more real money advice every week. Drop a comment and tell me, which side hustle are you starting with? I'm Walter, and remember, you're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because you don't make enough. So let's fix that. See you in the next one.